What's up, guys? System 6 rail fainer, and we got a Norfolk Southern, I think it is.
CSX.
CSX. Okay. Okay. And I got one of my friends behind me here. So.
This one's still going what? Northbound?
Southbound.
Southbound.
Yep.
That's what I thought it was. But I thought I heard you say northbound. I went, okay.
Oh, it's southbound.
He is coming somewhere. Not quite sure where, but he's on his way here. All right, the gates go down. Here he comes. There he is. Oh, we're gonna get a cool horn show from him. That was cool. Got an SD70MAc on the back and a -9 on the front, I think. Alright, well, that was cool.
I'm going back to the car.
Alright, yeah. He gave a cool horn show too.
Yeah,